Hello everyone, Namaskar. Today we are going to learn Assamese vocabulary of common vegetables and food items. This lesson is going to give you everyday food items and a couple of conversations while buying vegetables in a market and having food in a dining room. Food is one of our most fundamental needs. It is generally categorized by sources, that is plant versus animal, or nutritional content including fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins such as meat and legumes, dairy and fats. These provide essential energy, vitamins and minerals. Common groupings include staples like rice and bread, protective foods like fruits and bodybuilding protein sources. Fruits and vegetables like apples, spinach, and broccoli are essential for vitamins and fiber, whereas grains and cereals such as rice, wheat, oats, and bread are primary energy source. Protein foods like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, tofu, and lentils play a vital role for muscle repair. Dairy and alternatives like milk, yogurt, cheese, and fortified plant milks are key for calcium. Fats and oils such as butter, olive oil, nuts, and seeds provide energy. By source, we can have plant-based food like fruits, vegetables, and cereals, and animal-based food such as meat, fish, and dairy. By function, we can have energy-giving food like carbohydrates and fats, bodybuilding foods like proteins, and protective food like vitamins and minerals. By processing, we can have unprocessed food like fresh or whole foods and processed or ready to eat meals. By culture, that is cuisine, for example, regional specialties like Italian, Thai, Mexican, and Indian are popular. A balanced diet requires a variety of foods from these groups to ensure proper health and prevent nutrient deficiencies. However, here we are going to discuss food by culture, namely Assamese cuisine, to learn common vegetable names, food items, and sentences related to Assamese common food frequently used in daily conversations. Let's learn the common vegetables and food items in Assamese. The collective term for vegetable in Assamese is pasoli or hak pasoli, and the term for food in Assamese is ahar or khaidya. Omita means papaya, omita. Ada means ginger. Alu means potato. Urohi means broad bean. Ulkobi means kohlrabi. Outenga means elephant apple. Kosu means aram. Koni means egg. Kumura means ash gourd. Gakhir means milk. Gazor means carrot. Saul means raw rice. Zolokia means chili. Tita Kerala means bitter gourd. Tioh means cucumber. Dhekia means fern. Dal means dal. Doi means curd. Dhania means coriander. Nohoru Nohoru means garlic. Potol. Potol means pointed gourd. Palen hak. Palen hak means spinach. Piyaz. Piyaz means onion. Puroi hak. Puroi hak means Malabar spinach. Fulkobi. Fulkobi means cauliflower. Bondhakobi. Bondhakobi means cabbage. Bagaz. Bagaz means bamboo shoot. Bilahi. Bilahi means tomato. Bengena. Bengena means brinjal or eggplant. Bhat Kerala. Bhat Kerala means spiny gourd or teasel gourd. Bhendi. Bhendi means okra or lady's finger. Mas. Mas means fish. Mankho. Mankho means meat. Mula. Mula means radish. Rongalau. Rongalau means pumpkin. Lai hak. Lai hak means mustard greens. Lau. Lau means bottle gourd. Hak. Hak means common leafy greens. Squash. Squash means chayote. Now let us go to a vegetable market in Assam and listen to the vendors and customers talking to one another while buying and selling vegetables. এজন গ্ৰাহকে সুধে প্ৰতি কিলোগ্ৰাম পটলৰ দাম কিমান? That means a customer asks, what is the price of pointed gourds per kg? Here, grahok means customer and hud means ask. প্ৰতি কিলোগ্ৰাম পটলৰ দাম কিমান? বিক্ৰেতায়ে উত্তৰ দিলে প্ৰতি কিলোগ্ৰামত 80 টকা, which means the vendor replies, it's 80 rupees a kilo. Here, বিক্ৰেতা means vendor. প্ৰতি কিলোগ্ৰামত 80 টকা. The customer asks the vendor again, 60 টকাকৈ হ'বনে? That means, can I get it at 60 rupees per kg? 60 টকাকৈ হ'বনে? The vendor asks, কিমান কিলো ল'ব বাইদেউ? That means, how many kilos will you take, madam? কিমান কিলো ল'ব বাইদেউ? The customer tells, 1 kilo ল'ম, which means, I will take 1 kilo. 1 kilo ল'ম. The vendor says, 70 টকাকৈ দিব। আৰু কি কি শাক পাচলি লাগিব বাইদেউ? That means, please pay me 70 rupees per kilo. Do you need any other vegetables? The customer replies, আলু 2 কিলো, জলকীয়া 1 পোৱা, ধনিয়া 3 মুঠি, নহৰু আধা কিলো, বিলাহী 3 পোৱা আৰু ভেন্দি আধা কিলো দিব। That means, add 2 kilo potatoes, 1 kg chilies, 3 handfuls coriander, 500 gram garlic, 750 gram tomatoes and 500 gram okra. Here, pua means quarter, that is 1/4 of kilo. Muthi means handful and adha means half. Alu 2 kilo, jolokia 1 pua, ধনিয়া 3 মুঠি, নহৰু আধা কিলো, বিলাহী 3 পোৱা আৰু ভেন্দি আধা কিলো দিব। The vendor adds, সতেজ শাক দিম নেকি বাইদেউ? পালেং শাক আৰু লাই শাক আছে। That means, shall I give you fresh leafy vegetables? I have spinach and mustard greens. Here, সতেজ means fresh. সতেজ শাক দিম নেকি বাইদেউ? পালেং শাক আৰু লাই শাক আছে। The customer says, 2 মুঠিকৈ দিয়ক, দাম কমকৈ ল'ব লাগিব কিন্তু, which means give me 2 handfuls of each, but you should give me a discount. 2 মুঠিকৈ দিয়ক, দাম কমকৈ ল'ব লাগিব কিন্তু। Here we can learn vegetable names, how to bargain in Assamese, and useful phrases for talking to a vegetable vendor. Let's now listen to family members having lunch together. Onitai kole, Deuta anjakhon kenekwa lagise. That means Onita said, Dad, how is the curry? Onitai kole, Deuta anjakhon kenekwa lagise. Deutake kole, bor khuat hoise majoni. Which means, it tastes great, my girl, said her father. Deutake kole, bor khuat hoise majoni. Make kole, tai aji outenga aru alure keitaman horu masor jul randhise. That means, she cooked some small fish soup with elephant apple and potatoes today, her mother said. Make kole, tai aji outenga aru alure keitaman horu masor jul randhise. Deutake akou kole, omletu bonaisa, which means you have made omelette too. Deutake akou kole, omletu bonaisa. Onitai kole, omelette mae bonaise. That means, Mummy made the omelets. Onita said. Onitai kole, omelette mae bonaise. Make kole, kali ratire kei tukuraman kukurar mankho ase. Tumaluke khaba niki? Which means, her mother said, there were some pieces of yesterday's chicken. Will you eat them? Here, kei tukuraman means a few pieces and kukurar mankho means chicken. Make kole, kali ratire kei tukuraman kukurar mankho ase. Tumaluke khaba niki? Onita aru deutake ekeloge kole, ratiloi thui dia. That means, Onita and her father said together, leave it for the night. Here, ekeloge means together. Onita aru deutake ekelege kole, ratiloi thoi dia. In this conversation, we learned a few terms for food items from animal sources. We also learned the Assamese suffix man, used with word to denote an indefinite number or quantity. If it denotes an indefinite quantity, it usually means some, a little, or roughly. For example, olopman. Olopman means a little or some. On the other hand, if it denotes an indefinite number, it usually means a vague or small number, as in kejonman. Kejonman means a few people. Keikhonman means a few items. Keitaman means a few. And keitukuraman means some pieces or a few pieces. It can also denote both indefinite quantity and number together, as in bhaleman. Bhaleman, which means in large numbers or in large quantities. While denoting an indefinite number, the suffix man usually follows the bound indefinite or interrogative pronoun ke, followed by a classifier, as in keitaman bostu, means a few things. Keijonman manu means a few people. Keigorakiman shikkok means a few teachers. Keikhonman gari means a few vehicles. Keidalman rosi means a few ropes, and so on. However, we have focused on common vegetables and food items or common components of a balanced diet in this lesson. Let's quickly go through some of the common vegetables and food items we have come across in this lesson. Omita, it means papaya. Ada means ginger. Alu, it means potato. Urohi means broad bean. Ulkobi, Ulkobi means kohlrabi. Outenga. Outenga means elephant apple. Kosu. Kosu means aram. Koni. Koni means egg. Kumura. Kumura means ash gourd. Gakhir. Gakhir means milk. Gazor. Gazor means carrot. Saul. Saul means raw rice. Zolokia. Zolokia means chili. Tita Kerala. Tita Kerala means bitter gourd. Tio. Tio means cucumber. Dhekia. Dhekia means fern. Dal. It means dal. Doi. It means curd. Dhania. Dhania means coriander. Nohoru. Nohoru means garlic. Potol. Potol means pointed gourd. Paleng hak. Paleng hak means spinach. Piaz. Piaz means onion. Puroi hak. Puroi hak means Malabar spinach. Fulkobi. Fulkobi means cauliflower. Bandhakobi. Bandhakobi means cabbage. Bahgaz. Bahgaz means bamboo shoot. Bilahi. Bilahi means tomato. Bengena. Bengena means brinjal or eggplant. Bhat Kerala. Bhat Kerala means spiny gourd or teasel gourd. Bhendi. Bhendi means okra or lady's finger. Mas. Mas means fish. Mankho. Mankho means meat. Mula. Mula means radish. Rongalau. Rongalau means pumpkin. Lai hak. Lai hak means mustard greens. Lau. It means bottle gourd. Hak. It means common leafy greens. Squash. Squash means chayote. I hope you have learned the Assamese terms for common vegetables and food items in this lesson. It is always important and good to regularly practice using the words and sentences to gain fluency. So keep practicing and learn more Assamese every day. Hope to see you soon with another Assamese language learning lesson. Until then, take care. Dhanyabad.